Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix God of War Ragnarok struck on black screen on PC. So if you want to fix this issue, I'm going to show you some of the methods. The very first thing is that press Alt plus Enter, right? So what will happen if you just press Alt plus Enter, right? So let me show you. So this is it, Alt plus Enter, it will be in your keyboard. So what will happen, it will change your window, right? And it will fix you to fix this issue. So black screen happens when suddenly your screen gets struck, right? And this will change your screen, so it might fix your problem. Right, now the second method is that run the game as administration, right? Administrator, whatever you can call this. For example, let's say that this is my GTA 5 and I have to right click on it. And obviously if you have purchased the game from Steam or Epics or wherever, right? And I know from where you have downloaded, this could be also the reason. So right click on it and you will get this option to play this as, right? You can just go to click on open, right? If you have downloaded it from any of the Steam or Epic. But for example, let's take that this game is downloaded, so I will just right click on it and here I will get this option as run as administrator, right? So you have to do this. So just shut down just open your task manager, just close the running God of War 2, or you can say whatever, the God of War Ragnarok, just close this, right? And right click on it and click on run as administrator, right? So this might also fix your problem. Right, now the next thing is that update your Windows, right? And graphic drivers and the game itself to the latest version. So you have to check, you have to make sure you go to the graphics section of the God of War, and you can just set that what kind of a graphic section you want. For example, if you're not using the 40 series of RTX, so if you're just using 3060 or 1080p, or not, sorry, 1050, right? So it's completely up to you that if you're going for the GDX series, then of course you will not get the high resolution, so you have to lower your graphics, right? So you can only do it from the inside of the game, right? And this could be the reason. Make sure you fix this issue, and once it's fixed, make sure to like this video, subscribe.